Do you know that just 1% increase in interest rate can wipe out all your condo profits? I'm going to show you the figures in today's video. This is part 3 of the 30-part series on stay vesting. If you have not watched my video on stay vesting, check out here. You can also watch part 1 and 2 here and here. A lot of people buy properties without analyzing the figures. They don't analyze the numbers. Rising interest rates can turn your condo into a liability. Of course, the interest rate is coming down, but you never know what will happen down the road. During the pandemic period, my interest rate went up to 4.75%. I'm going to show you how interest rate can impact your condo, turning it into a liability and wipe out all your profits. This is an example of a 2 million property, holding period for 5 years. With the interest rate at 2%, you will notice that the principal is more than the interest. This means that you're paying more on the principal of the property instead of the bank interest. This is good because when you sell the property, the principal goes back to you. So in this example, you can see that the net profit is about 70,000. Now what happens if the interest rate go up to 2.3%, additional 0.3%? You will notice that you're paying about the same for the principal and the mortgage interest. This means that for the monthly installment, 50% is paid to the property, another 50% is paid to the bank. Now what happens if the interest rate goes up to 4%? Instead of making 70,000 net profit after selling a property, now you lose 75,000. In other words, when the interest rate goes up to 4%, instead of making 70,000, you lose 150,000, turning your condo into a liability. In this case study, I did a calculation. A 0.5% increase in interest rate can wipe out 35,000 of your net profit. And a 1% increase in interest rate can wipe out all your condo profit, 70 over 1,000. So here's the thing. You cannot cause the interest rate to drop. Neither can you stop it from rising. But you can prevent over-leveraging on your mortgage loan by reducing your purchase price or the loan amount. This is part 3 on stay vesting. Stay tuned for part 4. If you have any question, you can always ask a different kind of agent. I will see you in the next video.